In this video, I'm going to explain how to handle owner withdrawals. So the first thing is to understand that if you are set up as an LLC or a sole proprietor or no company at all, which means you're assumed to be a sole proprietor, you actually don't have to track your owner withdrawals. And that's because regardless of how much money you pull out, you are still going to be taxed on the full amount of profit that you make throughout the year. Now, there is a situation where you may want to track your owner withdrawals, and that's as if you're in a partnership with another person. So if that's the case and you guys just want to track how much each of you are pulling out of the business, then there's an easy way to do that. Or if for some reason you still want to track your owner withdrawals, you can still do that. I'm just saying that you don't actually have to. So the way that you would do it in either case is you're going to go to the More button on the expenses page. You're going to click Edit Categories. Click the New Category button. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set up a category that is not included in our profit calculations. And I'll show you how to do this. So the first thing we'll do is we'll type up a category name. So I'm just going to type Owner Withdrawals. And then I'm going to click the Show Advanced Options. And under here, I'm going to click Exclude from Profit and hit Yes. And then you can click this What's This link, and then it'll give you kind of an explanation of what this is. But essentially, what's going to happen here is now whatever you put inside of this category is not going to be included in your expenses. So therefore, it's going to be excluded from your profit calculations. So let me show you for example. So if I hit Save, and I go in here and let's add in a new expense under there. So let's just say that I came over here, and it's always going to show up in this left-hand column now because it's what we call a special category. So if I put in a $500 withdrawal for today, then if I go in, you'll notice on the expenses page here, it's actually going to show up below the total because it's not going to include it in your total expenses. And the same goes for the profit and loss report too. On the profit and loss report, you're going to see it here under the other section. And there you go. You see the owner withdrawals showing that it's not included in your expenses or income. Therefore, it's not included in your profit calculations. Hope this helps.